What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey, and I am back again. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about my second dividend payment that I received from Kinder Morgan, ticker symbol KMI. That's what we're talking about in this video. But hey, if you're new to the channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with my investment journey. And on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so the reason why I keep doing these types of videos is because I want to show you guys what's possible in regards to dividend investing. Dividend investing is definitely one of the easier ways to make money in the stock market that doesn't really require a huge learning curve. And trust me, I'm still learning. That's the purpose of this channel, is to share my journey and what I've experienced and show it and document it with you guys and for you guys. So once again, if you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe to the channel. All right. So I'm already logged into my Robinhood account right now. You guys can see on the screen, this is as of today. Today was not a good day. Currently down negative $2,600 for the day. I'm going to touch on the 1W here, which means 1 week. For the week, I'm down negative $3,400. 1M, I'm currently down $11,000 in the last month. That doesn't sound good, does it? 3 months, the last 3 months, I'm down $1,900. The last year, I am currently down $19,000, but I'm really down more than that overall. So if I click on all, you guys can see it says negative $20,000. And of course, I did some investing over here in early 2016. Didn't go so well, and I eventually stopped altogether. And then I started reinvesting again back in May 2020. You guys can kind of see over here. So overall, since May 2020, I have invested $206,000 into the stock market. So you do the math, 206,000 minus 186,000. I'm down quite a bit of money, but that's okay. I'm not doing dividend investment and or dividend investing, and so I once again will document and show you the power of dividend investing. So I'm going to click on KMI right here at the top of the screen, and as you guys can see, I have the tab open for Kinder Morgan. Currently, my overall market value is $2,028.08. My average cost per share is $14.50. I currently own 107.47 shares right now, and my total return overall here, you guys can see, is plus 30%. So I'm up $469 in regards to this particular stock, and that's pretty exciting. I could have, and I probably should have, bought more shares, but that's the thing with the stock market, right? You live and you learn, that type of thing, and you make the best decision that you think you're making at that particular time. All right, so currently Kinder Morgan is trading for $18.87. I'm going to scroll down and show you guys the dividend payment that I got here with Kinder Morgan, and I'll also show you that it is my second dividend payment. So I'll click on show more, and then I'm going to click on just dividends over here to the right. And as you can see, it is my second dividend payment. I received my first payment on February 16th, 2020 for $27.29. At that time, I had 103.95 shares, and I received 26 cents for each share, which gave me a total of $27.29. Now, the most recent dividend payment that I got was for May 2020. This stock pays quarterly, which is why the first payment was in February and the next one was in May. So at this particular time, I had 105 shares, and they paid 27 cents per share. So I got a dividend payment increase of 1 cent, which is always exciting. And so the total came to $27.61. Now, of course, this was reinvested, because I have on the dividend reinvestment plan on Robinhood, which is called the DRIP. And so Robinhood will automatically purchase shares for you. So they'll grab some more shares for you once you get that dividend payment. So if I go back right here, you guys can see that Robinhood right here purchased some more shares for me on my behalf. They purchased 1.51 shares. And at the time, it was $18.85. And so that was basically my $28.61 reinvested, which got me some more shares. So literally, I haven't spent any more money than my initial investment in regards to Kinder Morgan. So as you can see, if I go back one more time here, as you can see, click on dividends. The first dividend payment was $27.29. And the second dividend payment is actually more than $1 increase. Of course, this is a quarterly paying dividend, but it still has gone up $1. It doesn't seem like a lot right now, but just you wait. Just you wait. This is going to grow and grow and grow and grow, and I plan on documenting that and taking you guys along with me for the journey. All right, that's going to be pretty much it for this video. Once again, I'm going to go back here and show you guys my overall portfolio. Like I said, today I'm down $2,600. Doesn't feel good, but hey, I'm in it for the long haul, so it should be all good. All right. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe to the channel. And that's going to be it. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.